Hey everyone, Lisa here from NocoDB, and today we'll explore the lookup field, which lets you grab additional information from a related table into your current table. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about what a lookup field actually is. Imagine you have two tables, products and orders. Each order references a product but doesn't show all the product details like price or category. That's where a lookup field comes in handy. It lets you pull information from the products table into your orders table automatically based on a link field. This feature is a time saver and an error reducer, if that is even a word. What I mean is, there is no need to manually type in all the product details every time you enter a new order. This is literally a lifesaver. Alright, now let's see how to set it up. Here we have our two tables, products and orders. I have linked products to orders with a has many relationship. Now in the orders table, let's go ahead and add a new column. Select lookup field, choose the link field, and for the field to look up, let's select current price. Save it, and there you go. The price pulls right in from the products table. Let's add a new product here and see it in action. Again, there we go. Now let's actually cross-check to verify, shall we? This bench here costs $599 and in the products table, it costs the same. Perfect. Now if I change the pixelated rugs price in the products table to say 600. Now let's check that in the orders table. And there you have it. The change automatically reflects in the lookup column. Super intuitive. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more cool tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.